Hello and welcome to MBBS Council. We know that it's hard to get a list of colleges for choice filling. So, in this video, we are going to see how to get a list of government colleges for choice filling in the All India Counselling. Still you haven't made any list? Don't worry, let me tell you how to get that list. For that, you have to select the Ranker menu option inside the app. When you click it, a list of options will be displayed on the screen. At the top you can see an option to select state. You can also select a particular state or even you can get a list for all states. In this example, I'm not going to select any state. After that, you have to select rank option. When it's pressed, it opens up another select box and asks you to select the rank type. To get a list of colleges for All India Counselling, you can select AIQ rank from the list. When you click it, a list of colleges will be displayed, starting from AIIMS Delhi, Maulana Azad Medical College, VMMC College, and the list goes on. You can also use this same order to fill up your choice list. If you want to know more details about the college, you can simply click the name. When I click it, we are able to see the additional details about the college such as its affiliated university, the year of establishment, etc. Using the Ranker facility in the app, you can get the top colleges for choice filling. What are you waiting for? Try out this feature in the app. I will see you in another video.